Hello all, welcome back to week 3 of this unique online adventure. I hope your holiday weekend was relaxing, though if you're like me, the days are starting to blend together a bit, but I hope you're finding ways to keep yourself entertained and to keep up with your work. So that being said, hopefully you all have started, if not gotten at least halfway through your genetic research projects that I assigned last week. But that is going to be the main focus of this week, with a little jump into our new unit as well. So, moving forward this week, your expectations are to finish your genetic research project. The video itself is due by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday the 16th. You're going to turn in your question guide to the Dropbox. I have moved that Dropbox to week 3 just so it's easy to find. Refer to week 2 for all of the information. The question guidelines, the expectations, the rubric are all listed there, as well as the topics if you can't remember what your topic is. You can use the same recording software that you used on the last project. Some of you use Loom, some of you use Screencastify, some of you did a voiceover. That's fine. Just make sure you email me that video. I need the video, not just the slides. Send me the video. The last final part of this week that I'm going to ask you to do is to jump into our new unit, which will be evolution. And there is a 30-minute Edpuzzle on the making of a theory. It's Darwin, Wallace, and natural selection. It's a nice intro to how the theory of evolution came about that will help us start next week off right. And next week we're going to start that intro even more so and get more into that, and then start working our way towards the evidences and forces of evolution over the next week. This unit itself will take about 4 or 5 weeks to cover, and then we'll move on to ecology. So those are the expectations so far. So just a quick reminder again, go to Moodle, which you should be there already if you're watching this video. If you need to use week 2 to get your information on your disorder topics, your project instructions, guidelines, and rubric, do so. Your Dropbox has been moved to week 3, and here is a link that will take you directly to the Edpuzzle, the making of a theory. I need you to watch this and turn in your project by the end of the week. That is all that's required. And then next week we're going to start talking more about evolution. I'm going to have some more lectures, some more actual practice that's not project-based. All right. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. I hope that everyone is staying healthy and well, and I will check back in with you next Sunday. Bye, guys.